Yo, what up, Money Gang? It's your boy MoneyGang, How y'all doing today? If you don't know who I am, my name is Letrent. I'll show you guys how to make money online. What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute. My bad, man. I gotta really get into this video stuff. I was going hard the first couple weeks, and now it's like I don't know. But after today, I seen a video from my man Letrent. I'm on it. But today, I want to talk to you guys today about PayPal shutdown. You got your money on hold. What's up with that, man? If y'all don't know, PayPal shutting people's accounts down. Why? If you don't know why, you know what I'm saying? They be shutting down people's accounts for 10 years with $800,000, 5 years, $300,000. They shutting people's accounts down. And why is that? Did y'all ever think and realize why are they shutting down accounts? You know what I'm saying? Understand they real. I think PayPal is the most lenient money service online, because you got Stripe, CashApp, all that other stuff. But PayPal is worldwide known, you know what I'm saying? So everybody know about PayPal. So when you get scammed, you be on PayPal type shit, you know what I'm saying? So, but why are they shutting people's accounts down? It's simple, because the government shut down. I'd be like, Money made the trend. What you talking about? It's simple. All right. If you haven't checked the news with PayPal, they are giving away $500 cash advance loans to people that are working for the government that don't have any money coming in. You might be thinking, oh, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But when you look deeper into it, they using $25 million of money that they got from y'all accounts. Because when you get a PayPal account put on hold, they hold your money for 6 months. So you have 6 months you don't have that money. Then after 6 months you can appeal or something like that. But yeah, they're using y'all money just like the banks do to give out loans to these government workers. But the fucked up part about it is the government workers don't have no money to pay this money back. And then they got it at 0% interest. So they don't have no money to pay it back in the first place. So the interest is gonna be building up and building up. They just finessing, man. They finessed people that got money in PayPal, gave the money to people that don't even have money to government work. That's crazy. The shutdowns are affecting everybody. So if y'all not up on game, get rid of PayPal. If you're gonna stick with PayPal, I suggest you guys, if you're gonna be working, and this is for digital products only. This is not for everybody's PayPal account, of course. But if you're selling digital products, then they're shutting your account down. Of course, they already be, like I said, be so much fraudulent stuff going on with people sending stuff through PayPal, and you can always get disputed and get your money back. But with if you get selling digital products, they are shutting your account down. For example, 25 went up. You're not selling no product. So in order to bypass that, if you want, you're gonna have to send a physical product. What I suggest getting sending something to your customer to let them know that you actually purchased something. They actually purchased something through you. That's why you're getting paid instead of you getting paid off a digital product. Because of course they know online marketing is what's making the real money. So they're trying to stop that as best as way they can. You already know the ultra FICO scores coming into play. I mean, this shit is happening, man. We gotta be on top of this shit, bro. Like, this is messed up. Like, but at the end of the day, it's just business. It's business. Business don't get no fuck what's going on, man. They want their money, and they gonna take your money if you let them. And that's exactly what's going on. So I'm here to let you guys know. You got a PayPal account. I don't think I'm too late for it, but if y'all got a PayPal account, take the money out right now. Or if you're selling physical products, then you should be straight. But digital products, take their money out. Stop using PayPal. I suggest Stripe or CashApp, something like that. I don't know. They got different options, but yeah. I mean, come on now. The government's working together. PayPal's working with the government to make this happen. Okay, $25 million. Like, where they get this money from? Where they get $25 million from? Okay, it's plain and simple. They got it from us who have money in our PayPal account. That's gonna be on hold for 6 months. They got 6 months to hold on to your money, so they're gonna use that shit to give out loans, just like banks do. That's why you don't put your money in the bank. You always have your money circulate. All right, guys. So yeah, it's just a video for you guys. I hope this helped you guys a bunch. I'm definitely trying to come out with some more content for you guys. I'm gonna get on it. That's on me. That's on me, bro. But yeah, like I said, move your money. Don't mess with PayPal unless you send a physical product, okay? Just because of the whole government thing, man. Everything getting out of wrap. You don't realize it by now. The government shutdown shows you that times are coming to end, not from a religious, biblical standpoint, but y'all motherfuckers is gonna be slaves for real. We don't get on this shit, man. You're gonna be slaves. They don't give a flying F about y'all, okay? So with that being said, please, man, take a look. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go do some research. I will have a screenshot up and show you guys what I'm talking about. It's your boy Money Man. I'm out. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. Look out here, man.